Welcome to this recovery guide on overcoming online blackmail. If you're watching because you've experienced sextortion, I want you to know this. You're resilient, you're not alone, and you will get through it. And if you're here to support someone going through it, remember your understanding and compassion mean more than you might realize. Today, we're focusing entirely on recovery, with expert insights to help you rebuild your confidence and peace of mind. Seek professional mental health support. First things first, if you're struggling emotionally, consider reaching out for professional mental health support. I know therapy can feel intimidating, but think of therapists as trained allies. They have the tools to help you process anxiety, depression, and even trauma. It's about finding someone who's the right fit for you. Build a support network. Next, surround yourself with a strong support system. Reach out to trusted friends or family members. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but opening up to someone who truly cares can lift a huge weight off your shoulders. It's also a powerful reminder that you don't have to face this alone. If you've ever found comfort in a support network, share your experience in the comments. Your advice could really help others. Embrace self-care and mindfulness. Let's talk about self-care and mindfulness because balance matters. Try incorporating meditation, yoga, or simple breathing exercises into your daily routine. These small practices can help quiet your mind and reduce stress as you heal. Join support groups for empowerment. Joining a support group can be incredibly empowering, whether it's online or in person. Connecting with others who've been through similar experiences helps you feel seen and understood. Communities like StopSextortion.com and SafeHorizon.org are great places to start. If you've joined any support groups, tell us how they've helped your recovery journey. Your story might encourage someone else to reach out. Financial recovery. If sextortion has affected your finances, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can help you design a recovery plan and get your financial footing back. Think of them as your personal roadmap through financial uncertainty. Take a digital detox. Sometimes stepping back from the online world helps more than you'd expect. Try a short digital detox. Spend time doing things you love offline, like painting, cooking, or hiking. Reconnecting with real-life activities can help restore your sense of peace. Set realistic goals for recovery. When rebuilding, focus on setting achievable goals. Whether it's emotional or financial progress, break your recovery into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate each one. Every bit of progress counts. Explore financial resources. Don't overlook available financial assistance. Some programs can help manage debts or obligations tied to your situation. Consider placing a credit freeze to prevent further financial harm through identity theft, phishing, or extortion. Blackmail.HelpLine services. At Blackmail.HelpLine, we do more than just locate and identify offenders. We can ensure your content is permanently deleted. Our monitoring services help prevent future attacks, as we've seen many cases where blackmailers resell stolen data to others. Online blackmail isn't limited to a single person. These are organized operations. That's why we provide precise, ongoing protection designed to keep you and your loved ones safe. For immediate help, call the Blackmail helpline at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com for a free consultation and dark web checkup. You're not alone in this. Healing takes time, and it's okay to move at your own pace. You've got this, and we're here to help every step of the way. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more expert guidance. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.